All right, so I'm at Guilford Skate Park and my foot is killing me, so I'm just gonna keep it basic. If I can get my adrenaline going, we'll do some bangers. Also, I finally went through the airwalks. That took so long. Never nollie board slid this rail before, so we're gonna try to get it. Got my other tricks pretty quick, so. So I got the nollie board slide, switchboard slides or whatever you wanna call it, and the nollie to the board slide 180 out. Let's go. Like that, and then put right there, and then down. Down, forward. Slam it down. Gotta go forward. Just commit. Got it. Bring it down. Forward, down. There you go. There you go. There you go. There you go. That's it. That's it. Yeah. Oh my god. Woo! I fucking landed it. Yeah, new trick. Believe it or not, that's the first time I've ever landed that trick, and I feel super stoked. That felt so cool. And yeah, now I just have to do a fakie cab into it and then do that trick, and it'll be like, whoo. I did it though, I can do it cleaner. Ow! Yeah! Let's freaking go. I wasn't gonna push myself today, but I just love skateboarding so much. So I ended up getting the Noseslide with the shove it out behind, like the front shove, which I've never done before. And then I did the fakie cab nose into that trick. And I did it once and I thought it was a little sketchy. So I did it again and got it super clean. Let's go. And I got the nollie board slide or switchboard and the 180 out too. So today was a really good day, even though my feet are killing me. I was gonna give up, but I'm glad I didn't. So yeah, let's go. Anyways, you all know what to do. Like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Peace out.